Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to learn prefixes and suffixes. Let us see the definition of prefix. Okay, the title itself. Okay, it is very clear. Pre means before, and fix means add. Okay, see when we add a letter or a few letters to a base word, it is known as prefix. Okay. A prefix is a letter or a group of letters added at the beginning of a root word to form a new word. See, why do we use prefix? In order to form new words, okay? A prefix does not have any meaning of its own, but when added to a root word, it modifies the meaning of the word, okay? Only when we use a prefix with an appropriate word, okay, it will be able to convey the complete meaning. Okay, for example, union is a base word, and then when re is added to that word, it becomes reunion. Okay, now let us see few more examples for prefix. Okay, especially in this slide, we are going to learn how to form antonyms using prefixes. Okay, for example, when we add im to possible, it becomes impossible. And then it conveys a negative meaning. Then when we add in to correct, incorrect. Then ir to resistible, irresistible. This is one of the ways to form antonyms. Okay, now let us see the definition of suffix. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added at the end of a word to make a new word. Okay, see, suffixes are added at the end of a word. Okay, then, for example, see, color is the base word, and when full is added to that word, it becomes colorful. See, here are a list of suffixes. ER or OR. When we use these letters, okay, it conveys the meaning a person or thing that does something. Okay, for example, helper, fold, so many times as much. For example, tenfold. Ward means in the direction of homeward. Okay, all of you know the meaning of less. It means without, worthless. Then able, it can be used in the sense can be or having this quality. The example is reasonable. Then uh, the suffix full of or having. The example is useful. Then uh, OUS. It's a suffix which conveys the meaning full of or having. The example is dangerous. In this also, we are going to see how to use suffixes for coining new words. See, when we add ent, see, the first word is judgment. Then the second one is confident. Then in these words, we have added ence. Okay. Uh, Thus, we have formed intelligence and independence. Then, and by adding ERY, we have formed new words slavery, pottery. And then using ER, lecturer, manager. Okay, these are new words are formed by using suffixes. Okay, here is an interesting exercise. Try to do it, and then in addition to that, do the exercise given on page number 7 in your textbook. Thank you, students.